Hey, what's up guys? So I got my loot crate for this month and this is time travel. We're supposed to have like cool Bill and Ted stuff and Doctor Who and all kinds of crazy stuff. So I'm pretty excited to see what we get. There's a shirt. It's blue. It's like powder blue. Oh, it's a Bill and Ted shirt. Be excellent to each other. That's actually really funny. I like that. Sweet. Excited for the new movie as well. What else is in here? There's something big. Oh, yes! That's awesome. Dr. Brown pop vinyl. Loot Crate exclusive. It's awesome. He's holding the jumper cables and there's like electricity going back and forth. That's awesome. What's this? Back to the Future hover... Oh, we got a hoverboard. We got a hoverboard. Certificate of authenticity, 1/5 scale. That's awesome. It comes on a mirrored stand. Yes. Does it come off? No. Well, that kind of sucks, but it's still really cool. I really like how it comes on a mirrored stand like that. Really nice collectible. Get rid of this stuff. Oh, here's the pin. Oh, that's really cool. Also Back to the Future. There's our magazine. It feels really thick. I'm gonna give that a second. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Doctor Who Sonic Spork. Loot Crate exclusive. What is a Sonic Spork? Oh wow, that's awesome. It's like a sonic screwdriver, but it's a spork. That's really cool. I like that a lot. And what's oh, that's cool. Box is like Bill and Ted's stage. Lights and everything. Party on, dudes. Let's flip through this because it seems super thick. Oh, is there a little pull-out thing in here? Out of time. Who's your doctor? Okay, it's a little pull-out little poster thing. That's cool. All right, well that's pretty awesome. Lots of really cool stuff in this box. I think my favorite part is probably this Sonic Spork. It's hilarious. So Sonic Spork, got a hoverboard replica. We got our t-shirt. Be excellent to each other. We got our pin. And we got our Dr. Brown pop vinyl. Really cool, really cool. So yeah, awesome crate. Hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe. I'll be back when I get my next crate. Thanks guys.